Now it's no homeward bound, I'm bound by the drive, put it all on the line. Fire for the sky, got the fire in my eyes, my heart heavy, I don't heed. I exceed speed limits and live in LR3s. I live in the left lane for a living. Only limits I believe in is be a different city on the beat.
All right, we in New Jersey, picking up some rock. Figured I'd go through the load with you guys. Let's get to it. So we got this rock, as you can see, it's I don't know what you would call it, but it's wrapped in wire cages. I don't know if the cages have bottoms or not. I'm not sure. Let's go up top and take a look. This is what it's looking like from the top. As you see, these cages bend, right? So I got up here and I checked, see if these cages are gonna give. So I'll show you how I'm gonna strap it, and we're gonna use edge protectors. Just a piece of advice: anytime you are strapping any type of rock down, it doesn't say in the FMCSA that you need protectors. Strapping rock, there's nowhere in it that it says that. And if it does, I challenge anybody to send me that. Put it in the comments, the section where it's listed, so others can read it and I can be wrong. But DOT will pull you over if they see you with, or you get pulled on an inspection and you get the wrong DOT officer. He will knock you for your load if you do not have edge protectors over the rock. That's meaning if you use straps. Now if you throw chains over the rock, if you're allowed to throw chains over the rock, you will not get knocked if you don't have edge protectors. So again, it's not in the FMCSA, it's just a tip. If you're gonna throw rock, throw straps over rock. My advice would be to use edge protectors, because you get the wrong officer on the wrong day, or who wants to go a little bit farther than he should, he's gonna knock you for having straps over rock, whether it be solid rock, rock slabs, whatever. If you're gonna throw straps, use your edge protectors. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cross strap as we would a coil, this back, and I'll tell you why later. One strap over each remaining pallet. We're gonna do one strap over the front pallet, and then we're gonna cross strap the front pallet. And I'll explain that when I get to it. Let's get the job done. You notice how these straps, when I throw them over, they walk off to the side. That's going to happen on any circular freight. Look at this one. See? It happens on circular freight. Anything that's circle or round, right? Your straps are going to walk around the corner. But, so that's why I cross-strapped the back and I didn't throw them straight over, because I tightened that down. And I could probably get it tightened down to where maybe the straps don't move. But if I cross strap it, I don't have no issues. Period. Right? And this one, you get down the road, and your strap starts walking over. And when it walks over, it loosens up, because now it's not at its full extension anymore. When it goes this way, now it's getting slack on it. So I'm gonna put these edge protectors on. Want to say hello? talk about it. It's coming in under 17 tons, which is 34,000. Yeah, choice. Missing the ball there. 17 tons is under 34,000. So we're not even looking at, I mean, if it's under 17 tons and I got 17 pallets, that means that each pallet is less than 2,000 pounds. All right? Keep that in mind. It's under 17 tons. I have 17 pallets. Each ton is 2,000 pounds. That means I'm under 2,000 pounds a pallet. The way we did it, we cross-strapped the back, because if I decided to come straight over, there's a chance that my strap will start walking around the corner of the circle. I just rather not have to get back here every time and winch it down. You know, I'll winch it down one more time on my load check to see how it goes, but I'm pretty sure it's not going anywhere with that cross strap. Plus, we want 2 on the back and 2 in the front, right? That's what we want. We want 2 on the back, 2 in the front. I decided to use 2 of these because I don't want to winch. I don't want to winch over my tire. I hit a bump, boom, I blow my tire. So I use 2 of these. These are coming in at 3,400 each, I think. So 2 of these are stronger than 1 strap. And we did 1 strap on each one after that. Now somebody say, why do you got the strap off to the side? They centered it at the light. I can't put a strap over the light. You don't want to do that. Plus I'll crush my light. So it's just like a piece of pie. I threw it on that side over here. But if I throw it on that side over here, it'll probably walk around the corner. So I just cut the pie in half. I came over here. So it's going that way. That's why it looks diagonal. I cut the pie directly in half. When you cut the circle in half, the strap is not going to walk. Same thing over here. This is centered, so over here is there, over there it's on the other side. 1 strap, 1 strap. Things are murdering my edge protectors. So over here, what I did, because we want 2 forms of securement in the first 4 feet. Cross straps are considered a form of securement. So that said, I have more on this pallet, more on these 2 pallets, more securement on these 2 pallets than I'll do any other pallet on here, even that back one, even the back one with 2 on it. Because the 2 straps come in, like I said, at, what is it? Oh, it's right there. 3,335. We multiply that by 2, that comes in more than this 5,400. So I have the strap going over the center, and I cross-strapped it. So these things don't move forward on me. Will they move forward? I don't know. I'm sure if a hard break or something, they'll slide right off the pallet. I just, rather than put 2 straps over it, it's safer to me to put the cross strap and the 1 strap. So really, I have 2 forms of securement in the first 4 feet. 1, 2. Now you could say 3, because I got this one coming around the front of it. I'm blocking forward motion. Let's look at it from the top. You see? So we're good. I'll be honest, I'm hoping these rocks don't dance, because if they dance, I'll keep an eye on it though. I think we'll be all right. Unless I go 4-wheeling or something, they should stay in there. I mean, they know best. They do, what, 50 loads a day. They know what they're doing. But anybody can say they know what they're doing. Just go with your gut, man. What's safest for you? It's a no tarp load. I'm not tarping it. I was just commenting to say that I'm aware, and everybody else should be aware when they're pulling something or what they're dealing with. Right? So let's walk through it. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 pallets under 34,000 pounds. I got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. We'll count that as 6. That's 51. And then them 2 other over there, 6, that's 57,000 pounds. That's 57,000 pounds of securement on a load less than 40,000 pounds. So that's how we do it. Amigo, what's your name?
My name is Luis.
Huh?
Luis.
Luis?
Yeah, hi.
Federico.
Federico, ¿cómo
Look.
está? ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo la? You understand a little Spanish?
Yeah.
Bueno.
Mi esposa es puertorriqueña.
Puerto Rico.
Yeah. You watch YouTube? You watch YouTube?
Yeah, you got it. You do this?
Oh.
My phone not here.
Oh. I got something for you. Hold on.
How you do? I look and see.
Okay, brother.
I look and
God bless you.
Thank you, Mr. Gracias. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes. I love you, man. Be good. All right. We're going to Hendersonville, North Carolina. Y'all know what it is. Y'all be cool. Stay fresh. Put God first all the time. Choice man. Woo!